thank you so much for joining me today. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a huge Funko Pop haul from Goodwill and Value Village. These are Funko Pops I've collected over the last little while. So I'm going to share them all with you. There's a few boxed ones and some loose ones that are in bags. So I'm going to share all those with you. But before we begin, if I can get you to hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed to my channel already. And if this is your first time here, welcome. And also hit that notification bell to be notified of new videos. On my channel, we do read aloud stories and also Funko Pop shopping and hauls. So without further ado, let's get started. The first boxed Funko is actually a pair that you see in front of you, and it actually, you probably would have noticed it in my thumbnail. So we'll start with this one, and it's the Spartan Cheerleaders, and obviously it's a 2-pack. It's from Saturday Night Live, SNL, and it was $12.99 for the 2-pack. Kind of on the pricey side, but I thought for a boxed Funko containing two, actually that's not too bad because it's usually $9.99 for one, so it's not too bad of a deal. I'll just spin that around so you can see the cheerleaders there in their outfits. There we go. Those are the other ones that you can get in that particular collection. Some different ones from SNL, of course. There they are there. Very, very cool. So let's get on with the next boxed Funko. So the next boxed Funko, actually I picked up at Goodwill this time around, and it's also, or it was also in the thumbnail, and it is from Scooby-Doo, and it's the Witch Doctor. And this one was $8.50. Once again, a little bit on the pricey side, but for a boxed Funko, I guess it's not too bad. There's the other ones in that series there that you can get. Kind of cool, kind of different, I guess. That one there. All right. The next is actually a bag. So it's a bunch of loose Funkos from Value Village. And as you can see here, I only paid $3.99 for this bag. This was a good deal. There's actually quite a few Funko Pops in here. So let's open this bag and see which ones we've got here. See, there's quite a few. So put it off to the side. So it looks like the first one we have here is Boss Baby. And it looks like he actually needs a little bit of a cleaning. He's got some scuffs on him, but other than that, nothing that he's got a little bit of, it looks like glue on the back of him. Nothing that a little magic eraser, as I always say, nothing that a little bit of a magic eraser will take off and make this pop look like new. So there he is there. And the next one we have here is a Go-Go Tomago from Big Hero 6. Very cool. Very cool outfit. Love the colors. And this one's actually same thing. Some scuffs on it, so I'll have to clean that up. Other than that, very cool. That's cool purple hair there and cool outfit. Very cool. And the next one we have is Short Fuse from Penguins of Madagascar. There he is there. A little bit of scuffs on him as well. Other than that, just give him a little bit of a clean up there. A little bit of a closer look on him. There we go. And the last one in that bag we have from Zootopia, and it's Mr. Big. There we go. You can see his little teeth there. Very cool. This one's actually not too bad, actually. Just needs a little bit of a clean, but other than that, oh, maybe just a little scuff mark there, but actually he's not too bad. The next bag we have up is from Goodwill, and it was $3.50, and look at all those Funkos in there. I love it when I can get a whole big bag of Funkos for $3. So let's open this one up. Actually, it's just tied, so I think I'm gonna just try and untie it actually and start flipping into it if I can. And it doesn't look like the untying is gonna work, so I'm just gonna rip into it. That'll take me forever. It's in a big knot. All right, so let's go one by one here and see what we got. There we go. So it looks like the first one we have from Game of Thrones, we have Jon Snow. And he's actually in really good condition. No scuffs or marks or anything on him. He'll just get a good cleaning to sanitize him. And other than that, yeah, it looks like he's in really good shape. And it looks like the next one we have up is from Parks and Rec. And it's a Burt Macklin in his cool shades. I believe, I haven't watched Parks and Rec, so correct me if I'm wrong. Might be Chris Pratt's character. I'm not 100% sure. I'm just guessing on that one. But he's also in really good condition. No scuffs or marks or anything. So that's awesome. Looks really good. The next up we have Winnie the Pooh. Isn't he cute? Oh, he's so sweet. So cute. This was a great surprise getting this one. He's got a few little scuffs, but we'll fix him up. There too. We'll clean him up and he'll be as good as new. Isn't he adorable? Look at him. He's so cute. We have from Star Wars, his bobblehead. It's Ben Kenobi. His head is still moving there. He's actually in really good shape as well. It's nice that he still has his stand and everything, so that's great. And yeah, he looks like he's in good shape. His lightsaber isn't broken, so that's nice. So yeah, isn't that cool? To go with the Star Wars collection. Speaking of Star Wars, our next bag is just a single loose Funko, and it was from Value Village, and it's $3.99. So yeah, it's nice when you get that big bag full of them for $3.50, and then when you have to pay $3.99 for one, it's like wah wah. What are you gonna do? So anyways, let's open her up and see what kind of condition she's in. And it's Rey from Star Wars. Get this bag open here. There she is. Actually, she's in pretty good condition. Just a couple of scuffs on her. Other than that, she's also a bobblehead. Other than that, she's in pretty good condition. Yeah, so I'm happy with that. That'll go with the Star Wars collection. Next, we have a huge bag, actually filled with tons of random toys, it looks like. And it's also from Value Village, and it was $3.99. And as you can see, there's just a ton of toys. So we're gonna open this up and see the Funko that's in here. And like I've said before in my other Funko videos, all these bags that I get that have all these other just random toys, I always just redonate them. So put that off to the side. And there she is, Minnie Mouse. She's so cute. I love her pink bow and pink dress and pink shoes. Very cute. There she is, and she's actually in really good condition. Hopefully I can maybe find Mickey one of these days. There she is. Just spin her around. Yeah, actually she's in really good condition. So happy with that one. The next bag is another Value Village loose Funko for $3.99. And it looks like you can kind of see who's in there already. But we'll open him up and see what kind of condition he's in. And it's from Naruto. Oops. Doesn't want to stand there. There we go. There he is there. He's actually in pretty good condition, actually. Just bring him up a little bit closer and spin him around. Yeah, actually, it doesn't seem too bad. There he is. With his cool hair. Yeah, actually, that's not too bad. It's a good find. The next bag is also from Value Village, and it looks like we got 2 Funkos in this one for $5.99. The prices always seem to be kind of all over the place, but what are you gonna do? So let's open this one up, see what we got. I think the first one you kind of seen there through the bag. That we have Wonder Woman. Yay, one of my favorites. I love collecting the Wonder Womans. So this will go in my collection. I don't think I have this one. I've got one similar. She's holding her rope. I think, yeah. I think that's the one that I have. So it's very similar to this one, but she's not holding the shield, so that's perfect. I don't have this one, so that's awesome. So there we go. There she is. Just needs a little bit of cleaning there. Other than that, she's complete with her sword. Nothing's broken, which is good. So there we go with that one. And the other one that was in the bag was this guy here. We've got the Tasmanian Devil. Very, very cool. I love this one. And he's in excellent condition, actually. Oh, maybe he's got a few scuffs. Sorry, I take that back. He's got a few scuffs on the back. Other than that, he is in good condition. So that's okay. We'll clean him up. There's a little bit of a closer look on him. There he is. Great part of the collection. We have another loose Funko from Goodwill, just a single one for $5.50. Notice once again all the different prices. So let's open this one up, see what kind of condition he's in. You can kind of tell who it is through the baggie. I don't know how he's going to stand. I'm going to have to figure that one out. I'll have to hold him, I guess. Obviously Buzz. Buzz Lightyear from Toy Story, so I'll just have to hold him because just the way his legs are. But yeah, actually, he's in really good condition. Look at that. Back of his head doesn't even have any scuffs or anything on it. Yeah, he's in really good condition. Wow. Super, super cool. There he is. Close up on him there so you can see. Very cool. Like that. Yeah, he's in really good condition. Oh, and look at on the bottom of his shoe. Very, very cool. Just like the movie. If you're still with me in this video, thank you so much for sticking around. We've got a couple more bags to go. So thank you so much if you're still with me. I do appreciate you taking time out of your day to spend it with me. So our next bag is another Value Village bag. This one was $6.99. Looks like we have a couple of Funkos in there, and I don't know what that is. We'll have to take a look. So I actually brought these two out together because they actually go together, and they're Mia and Sebastian from the movie La La Land. So I thought I'd just pull them out together. So they're both in that bag, and they do need a good cleaning. Look at their faces. Looks like they had a blueberry jam sandwich. Both of them. They got like blue on their face. I'm not sure what that is. I hope that comes out. Hopefully the magic eraser will do its magic and take that off. But other than that, very cute yellow dress there and her shoes. There's her there. And him and his outfit there too. Spin him around. Yeah, look at that. Wow, I don't know what that is. Hopefully that comes out. And then I just wanted to show you what was in that bag too. I don't know what this is. It kind of looks like a Funko. It's like a doll, like a soft doll. Let's see. It's Harry Potter. And I don't know if it's Funko or not. What does that say? Surface wash. Max. I guess it's not. Kind of looked like a Funko, like a soft Funko, the face, but I guess it's not. Oh well, bye-bye.
Oh well, bye-bye.
So the last bag I have for you today is another Value Village bag for $2.99. That's also full of toys. But there are actually some mystery minis in here. So the Funko mystery minis. Let's pull them out. I believe there's 3 that I saw. So we have 3 of the Barbie mystery minis from Funko. So we have Astronaut Barbie. We have Flight Attendant Barbie. And then we have the 1959 original Barbie right there. So 3 of them. Aren't they cute? The astronaut one. She's got something red on her head, so hopefully that'll come out. But other than that, she's okay. And then flight attendant one. She's got a little scuff there, but other than that, she doesn't look too bad. And then we have the original Barbie. She's got a little bit of mark there too, so hopefully that'll come out and she'll get all cleaned up. That is all I have for you today. So thank you so much once again for joining me today. I do really appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out if you're not subscribed already. Hit that notification bell to be notified of new videos when I post them. And if you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel and the video. And once again, I really appreciate all your support. And don't forget to check out some of my other Funko Pop videos. You'll see some of them appear on your screen right here. And also some of my read-alouds. Thanks again for joining me. We'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.